When switching from Future to FCS2, all you need to do is insert the angle wedge from the rear of the plug and set your fin in. The setup of the screws will be explained in another video. For the rear fin, you just have to insert the 1mm wedge to be able to insert your FCS fin. When installing FCS, you need to insert the angle wedge as for FCS2 and the small filler piece that is sold by FCS. Then set up your fin as it should. For quads, as you know, in Future, there is a height difference between the fins. This is why we have another shim that will give you the right height and be able to insert the Future fin to have your quad ready.